In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use association labels in HubSpot. First, start by signing into your HubSpot account. You will see the familiar dashboard that welcomes you to your HubSpot environment. This is where you manage all your marketing, sales, and service tools. Logging in is crucial because it grants you access to all the features you need to create and manage your association labels effectively. Once you're logged in, you will be ready to dive into the settings and customize your experience. Next, locate and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it opens up the settings menu where you can customize various features of HubSpot. This step is essential because it allows you to access the configuration options for your account. Once you're in the settings, you will be able to navigate to the specific area where association labels are managed. In the left sidebar, go to Objects and then find Associations. This is an important step because it directs you to the area where you can manage how different objects relate to each other within HubSpot. You will notice that association labels help clarify these relationships, making it easier to understand how your records connect. Once you select associations, you will be one step closer to creating your label. Now, select the pair of objects that you want to label. For example, you might want to choose contacts and companies. This choice is significant as it defines the relationship you are about to annotate. You will see options for various objects in your HubSpot account, and selecting the correct pair is vital for effective organization. This clear labeling will help you and your team identify relationships at a glance. Next, click the Create Association Label button. This action opens up a new window where you can specify the details of your label. Creating an association label is a key part of this process because it allows you to formally identify the relationship between your chosen objects. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you prepare to define this connection in your HubSpot system. Enter a label name that clearly describes the relationship you are creating. For instance, you might label it Client of or Partner with. You can also create a paired label if you want different labels for each direction of the relationship. This flexibility is important because it enhances clarity in your records. A well-thought-out label can save time and prevent confusion later on. After that, click the Save button. This action finalizes your new association label. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your label has been successfully created. It's reassuring to know that your changes are now saved and you can start using the label right away. Now let's move on to applying an association label. Open a CRM record, such as a contact, company, deal, or ticket. This step is crucial because it allows you to implement the labels you just created. Navigating to a specific record makes it personal and applicable to your ongoing projects. You will see the details of the record displayed prominently on your screen. In the Association section, either add a new associated record or edit an existing association. This step is significant because it provides the opportunity to link your labeled objects effectively. You can choose to connect new records or modify current ones, ensuring your labels are accurately applied where they are most relevant. Select the appropriate association label from the list that appears. This action ensures that the label you created is now linked to your record. It's an essential step because it reinforces the relationship you want to establish. You will notice that selecting the right label enhances the overall organization of your data. Finally, click Save to finalize the changes. This last step is crucial as it ensures that your association label is now actively linked to the record. You will see a confirmation message that indicates your updates have been applied successfully. Understanding how to use association labels in HubSpot will streamline your processes and improve clarity in your CRM. Thank you for following along.